Open
Nope.
up.
Tristan eating his prunes.
Mmm.
Gotta get him to go poop.
Is that good? Is that good?
Tristan. Tristan.
Look at Daddy.
Tristan.
Daddy.
You got your prunes, buddy?
Mmm. Yummy.
Mmm. Yummy yum.
There you go.
Mmm.
You like that. You like that.
He loves the prunes. You love the prunes?
Go. He started doing it.
Mmm.
Yummy. And stick your fingers in there to get a taste. Mmm. Mmm.
Feeding for some prunes. I'm coming around.
Look at you. Here it comes. Mmm. That good? More? You want more? Mmm. Are you starting to get full?
This is Mother's Day, too.
My first Mother's Day with my baby. Open up. Open up. You all done? One more? You all done? You all done? No more? Okay, no more.
It's liberatory's time. Alright, well, that'll make you go poop.
Say bye-bye, Tristan. Say bye-bye. Look at Daddy. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay.
He's all stuffed. Wasn't done yet.